Hello boys and girls, for today's lesson, we are still in Unit 9 on holiday, but we are focusing on irregular verb. Okay, so previously I've told you what is actually verb. So as a quick revision, verb is an action that you do. Okay, for example, in our daily routine, first you wake up from sleep. So wake up is a verb, and then you take shower, and then you have your breakfast. So anything that involve your action is considered verb. Okay, but there are two types of verb, regular verb and irregular verb. Okay, so today we are focusing on irregular verb. Okay, so now move on to the next slide. Okay, so this is a list of irregular verbs. Okay, so for irregular verb, we do not add ed at the end of the verb. Okay, so you can refer to the previous slide whereby I have included certain or several regular verb, whereby for present tense, for example, a walk. So I walked today. I walked yesterday. So I walked. So for regular verb, we add ed at the end of the verb. Okay, to show that it is in the past or it is past tense. Okay, for irregular verb, we do not add ed. That is why it is called irregular verb. So there is no regular pattern. Okay, so let's just go through the list. Run for present tense, run. For past tense, we say ran. Cry, so we change y into I, ed, and then take, took, meet, met, make, made, win, won, tell, told, find, found, come, came. So if you look at the past tense form, it is irregular. Okay, sometimes you change U to A, and then this one take, it became took. Alright, so this is all the irregular verb. Okay, if you do more reading or you watch more English movie, you will come across all this kind of verb. Okay, so you're gonna you can enhance your vocab. Okay, because there's no pattern, there's no regular pattern that you can use to change from present tense to past tense for irregular verb. Okay, move on to the next slide. Okay, so these are another irregular verb. Okay, for example, draw, the past tense would be drew. Teach, the past tense would be taught. Today I teach English. Yesterday I taught English. Go, went, say, said. Okay, you have to see say, it ends with letter Y. So when you change it into past tense, you have to change Y into I and add D. Said. Alright. Now the next one. Okay, this will be your activity. So there are several verbs that I have helped you to match it for the past tense form. So for the rest of it, you can refer to the previous slide because some of the verb here are included in this activity. Alright, for those who have the module, you can complete it on your module. For those who have not, for those who does not have the module, I will give a link to a live worksheet, so you can just complete it online on the live worksheet. Alright, okay, so say, said, go, went, make, made, come, came. Okay, now we try to do the one that I haven't done for you. So teach just now, it become, let's see the previous slide. Teach, it will become taught. Right, so teach, taught here. Okay, and the last one, meet. So meet, it will become met. Okay, alright, so I think that's all for today's lesson. I hope you can complete today's worksheet, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.